Today I'm making a creamy, slightly spicy chicken penne. I'm using chipotle peppers and a few other ingredients for this delicious sauce. Let's get started. First, in a warm pan, I put a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of butter. Next, I've chopped up about 6 chipotle peppers in adobo, and I have 2 garlic cloves. Crush the 2 garlic cloves into the pan and stir them around with a whisk. After about a minute, you can add some salt and pepper. Now add in the chipotle peppers and stir them around and cook them for about a minute or 2. Next, add about a tablespoon of tomato paste. Cook and stir that until the tomato paste is combined with the chipotle peppers. Next, add in about a tablespoon and a half of flour. Stir and combine that. Keep stirring and cooking that for about a minute. Once that's cooked, you can now add in the milk. I'm adding 2 cups of fat-free milk. Make sure to keep stirring as you slowly add the milk. Next, add in a little bit of onion powder. Continue whisking until you start to see bubbles. At this point, let it cook for another 3 minutes while stirring. Now add in a half a cup of heavy cream. This will help thicken and give it a richness and a slight sweetness that we're looking for. Cook and heat that until it just starts to bubble. At that point, it should be done. It should take about 3 minutes. Next, I have 3 pre-cooked chicken tenders that I cooked yesterday. I cut those up into thin slices. I'll add those in and they will warm in the sauce. Now mix the sauce with 1 box of cooked penne pasta. The sauce will thicken a little bit as it sits. This delicious pasta is a favorite in my family. It's slightly spicy and so satisfying. I hope you can enjoy. Thanks for watching.